the scenarios all of digital. Joining us is a very special guest, Dr. Pinky Srivastava. Hello everyone and welcome to the exciting talk show on digital twin technology. I'm Dr. Shanki Tyagi and today we are thrilled to bring you to a discussion on cutting edge technology, transforming industries across the globe, digital twin technology. Joining us is a very special guest, Dr. Pinky Srivastava, the Dean of Kite School of Management, an esteemed leader and a visionary person in this field of education. Ma'am is having a rich background in diverse technology-enabled transformations and growing future leaders towards embracing advancement. Having rich experience of more than 24 years, insights are invaluable altogether. So, Dr. Pinky Srivastava, ma'am, we are delighted to have you here with us. It's an honor to have you here with this talk show.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shanki. I'm really excited to be here and looking forward for the discussion on digital twin technology and its growing role in shaping the future of business and the management.
Fantastic, ma'am. So let's dive in together.
Sure.
So my very first question to you is, ma'am, how does it work? What is this digital twin technology basically?
Digital twin technology refers to the creation of a virtual replica of physical object, system or process.
Okay.
The digital twin mimics the real world entity in a real time using data from sensors, IoT devices and other technologies.
Okay.
This allows businesses to simulate, predict and optimize operations. Like in manufacturing, digital twins can help monitor equipment performances, predict maintenance needs and streamline the production processes. And without physical intervention, in a sense, it bridges the physical and digital worlds, offering actionable insight.
Okay.
So this is how it can be helpful.
Very nice, ma'am. So now my second question from you is that how digital twin technology being used in various industries. Can you throw your light on that?
Sure. Like if we talk about digital twin technology in the various industries today, in that case we can look for, you can see that there is a significant impact across the multiple industries. If we talk about healthcare, it's used to model patient-specific treatments or even simulate surgeries in manufacturing. Digital twins optimize the supply chain management, track the equipment performance, and improve production processes.
Okay.
When we go to smart cities, digital twins help there also in the urban planners, simulate the entire infrastructure development and optimize the resource use. The automotive industries too uses the digital twin for vehicle simulations, while the aerospace sector also leverages its advantage to enhance aircraft performance and maintenance scheduling. So if we say overall it provides a business with a very powerful data-driven insights for better decision makings and usage.
Okay. Well, very nice answer, ma'am, and I'm sure all of the viewers will going to have a wonderful insights on this topic. So my another question is, what are the key benefits of adopting digital twin technology for the businessman these days?
Okay. See, if we talk about the benefits of digital twin technology, as they are substantial, like if we say improved operational efficiency, it is there. So by analyzing the digital twin technology, the businesses can optimize their processes, they can reduce the downtime and predict failures before they occur. Another advantage can be like cost reduction. It helps companies to save the cost by minimizing errors and improving maintenance schedules, leading to fewer disruptions.
Okay.
Then enhanced innovation can be another advantage, where digital twins enable businesses to test new ideas or products in a virtual environment, reducing the risk associated with the physical prototyping. And data-driven decision making can be one more advantage, like real-time data collected from various sources and which may help to take the more informed and accurate decisions, and which improves overall business agility also. And finally, I could say that sustainability is also one of the most important factors. Like digital twin contribute to sustainability efforts more effectively by optimizing the entire resource usage and reducing the waste in the production processes.
Wow, ma'am, your answers are really the eye openers to everybody who's going to hear this talk show. So now, can we go ahead with the next question?
Sure. I know.
Okay. So the next question from you is, ma'am, how does digital twin technology basically influence digital transformation and strategy in business? Because the scenarios all of digital. Over to you.
Fantastic question. Digital twin technology plays a very crucial role in digital transformation as it fosters a data-driven culture, allowing businesses to innovate faster and improve customer experiences. So, by creating a virtual model of a business operations, leaders has the opportunity to simulate outcome of various strategies before implementing those strategies in the real world. So this reduces the risk factor of being and accelerates the pace of change. Moreover, digital twins improve collaborations across departments by offering a shared data. So, this data-driven view of operations, ultimately aligning the business's strategies with the digital capabilities, is quite helpful.
Okay. Very nice, ma'am. And I'm sure the students and the budding managers will going to leverage out of this the takeaways that you gave right now. So now my another question to you is, what challenges do businessmen face when they're going to implement this twin technology?
So while the potential is vast, several challenges still exist. High initial investment cost is one of the challenge. That is, developing and deploying this technology with the twin requires significant investment in terms of hardware, software, and talent. Then other is data management handling. That is another challenge, which immense as the volume of real-time data generated by the digital twins can be complex, especially if we talk about the businesses which lacks the robust data infrastructure. So another is integration with the existing system. So it's system where digital twins into legacy systems can be a challenge, requiring businesses to revamp their IT infrastructure. And security concerns, as digital twins are reliant on continuous data exchange between the digital and digital twins, ensuring the data security and privacy is very critical. Another is lack of expertise. This technology is still emerging in its infancy stage, and finding the skilled professionals who understand both the business and the technical side of these digital twins can be a challenge for everyone.
Perfectly answered, ma'am. And now my another question from you is that what does this technology holds in future? Like, as a marketing professional and having a rich experience in this entire industry, what is your takeaway out of this?
See, Dr. Shanky, the future of digital twin technology is incredibly promising. As technology evolves, digital twins will become even more sophisticated, capable of simulating entire ecosystem rather than just individual components. So in the future, digital twins could integrate AI and machine learning to not only simulate outcomes, but also autonomously improve the processes without human intervention. This can be a further game changer and the customer experience, with the enhanced customer experience rather, and smarter, more sustainable operations across industries. So as 5G and IoT technologies advance, the ability to collect real-time data and build comprehensive digital models will only enhance in adoption in business strategies globally.
Very nice, ma'am. And your entire answers that you have given today are amazing. And for sure, they will going to give a brief understanding in everybody's mind who is going to view that entire show. Now, ma'am, as you are a renowned figure in this academic fraternity, apart from that, having a rich experience of 24 years, it's almost more than 2 decades, and being a dean of Kite School of Management, being a person who is delved into marketing profession from so long, now my question to you from the point of view of students, like for the MBA students, how they should prepare themselves for careers which is leveraging digital twin technology, basically. Over to you.
Thank you. I was waiting for this question, being in the profession of teaching MBA students, and it's really pleasure to answer this question, being a professor for MBA marketing students. MBA students can prepare by gaining a strong understanding of data analytics and IoTs or the emerging technologies like AI and machine learning. They should also focus on developing problem solving and strategic thinking skills. as digital twin technology involves optimizing the processes and making data-driven decisions. So internships or projects which are involving the digital transformations or IoT-driven industries can provide hands-on experience to these students. And staying informed about industry-related trends and understanding how digital twin applications can impact different sectors will also position them as valuable candidates in a digital first business environment.
That's nice.
So my suggestion for the students is that they should look for certain courses and go for those courses and take those courses, upgrade their skills, leverage their skills, and have a competitive edge against the entire world, entire participant.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a lovely talk show with you. And for sure, we're going to meet again with some different topic and some emerging burning issues of marketing. Thanks a ton, ma'am, for sparing your time.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.